Hey, what's up guys, Rihanna here, and in this video I'm gonna show you the v-perm that I use. Well, if you ask me, I would say this one is the best algorithm that you can find. So without further ado, let's try to get into this. Alright, hold the cube like that. Your left hand should be in the home grip position. And this 2x2 square or this 2x2 pattern, whatever you name it, should be towards you. Then put your thumb at the top layer and the rest of your fingers at the bottom. Something like that. Then do R prime and U with your index finger, R prime and U prime with your left index finger, R and D prime with your ring finger, like that. Again, R prime, and this time do D move with your left ring finger. And then regrip. Well, for this case, I prefer to put my thumb on this corner and hold the back side with these fingers. Just something like that. And then R prime. Well, this is the most important part of this tutorial. Well, try to turn the top layer and the bottom layer at the same time. Just like that. And if you would like to know how I'm doing that, well, I hold the cube like that, with my thumb and my middle finger. Then I put my thumb at the bottom layer and the rest of my fingers at the top. And then I put my index finger on this corner and my ring finger on the other corner, like that. And then try to push these two layers together, and please use both of your hands. Just don't turn these layers with one of your hand, only with your left hand or only with your right hand. God, I hate Gan 13. Let's just continue with my tornado. Give me a second. All right. Just turn these two layers with both of your hands. Just like that. And I know it seems hard at first, but trust me, just practice and you will get used to it. And after that, do R2, U prime, R2, D with your ring finger, and R2. And that's it. Well, let's just do it again. Thank you so much guys for watching, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and catch you later.